What's going on again today, guys? Yeah, you know what it is. It's Earl. Gonna do another episode or another segment of Earl's products today. And first of all, I just want to make sure to tell everybody I hope you're healthy and I hope you're safe. And another beautiful day up here in upstate New York. And just out here on my patio doing my daily video and enjoying some peace and quiet for a few minutes. But our device today is going to be, this stood out to me, and I think everybody probably should have one because this little device for under $300 is an amazing little device. I watched the videos and the reviews on YouTube about this, and this stands out to me a lot today. So I want to feature this product and promote this product today. Today is the Amazon Eero mesh Wi-Fi system with router and home coverage 3-pack, and it's the Eero, E-E-R-O. Regular price is $249. That price is subject to change. Comes in the standard 3-pack or the 3-pack with free Echo Dot. So at $249, you can't beat that. Replaces your router and covers up to 5,000 square feet within your home for Wi-Fi use. Works with your existing internet service provider and modem. Sets up in less than 10 minutes. Stream games. Work from anywhere in your home. That's awesome. Even outside. I saw the reviews, and the 3 reviews I saw, the guy had it in his kitchen, and he was out back doing some work in his yard, and he still had connectivity, which is awesome. So automatic software update, keep your network safe and secure. The technology within the product avoids buffering and drop-offs. Easily expand your coverage with the Eero products. Voice control with your Wi-Fi and with Alexa device, which is not included. You get the Alexa device, basically you get this, and it works together, apparently, according to the review. This is a world-class device. It brings home connectivity to a new level. The 3-pack covers, once again, up to the 5,000 feet within your home, in your backyard, and your basement. That's awesome. If you can go in your basement, that's awesome. We already talked about being in the backyard, that one guy. So that's pretty cool. It seamlessly connects to basically stream and surf and game and anything you want to do on the internet. So this is a device that we definitely want to support and promote and get the word about. So once again, I thank you for your time. I thank you for listening. I hope you like my post and my videos. Please subscribe and please like them so we can get the word out about Earl's products and what we'd like to do, and basically just market and support these products not only for Amazon but as an affiliate marketer. So thank you. Have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll talk to you next time. Have a good day.